So today I'm gonna be doing a very big haul because I got some needohs. But yeah, so the first one is the fuzzball. The fuzzball. Yeah, the fuzzball. Yeah, let's open it. Oh. Oh. Yeah, that stupid baby cat is nothing but trouble. At least it gives me love. Don't! Sorry that I had to yell, guys, but like I'm not trying to have this cat rip my needles because like I just got these. Yeah, I actually got a couple. I didn't get the iceberg one or whatever, or however you say it. I didn't get that one. And I didn't get the ice cream one. You guys will see. You will. I got some of the rare ones, I think. I haven't. Because the fuzzball is common, I think. Dude, why are you back? Go away.
Hi, babe. What are you doing?
Good? Oh, I think my mom was talking to my dad. I have no clue what this cat is doing. Let's open it. Whoa, why is it big? Oh. Stop it! So stupid. Oh my god. Dude! I got the viral needles. It's a little bit powdery. That's fine. Ma, look how cool it is.
Beautiful. I like it.
I love it. And this one. Yeah, my favorite is the fuzzball, the popsicle one, the squeezeria one, I think that's what it's called, and the purple iceberg one or whatever, however you pronounce that. Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm literally shaking. Like why? Like why is it back? Like, I'm so excited. I'm literally shaking right now. Oh, it's so cute. Why? I love it, but it's annoying. Dude! This cat's so annoying.
Hi, you eating? You like it?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah, guys, that's just my dad. Ugh. Okay, let's...
She's making her videos of those.
Yeah. Ow. What is wrong with these cats? Who have Ooh. Nice slice or whatever it says. Ooh. 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 Why is this stick low-key soft? Just kidding. I would not want that. Ew. Why is this stick yellow? Like, isn't it supposed to be like tannish? Oh well, it's just a squishy. It's like just a Needo. Or is that supposed to be its color? It says Needo on it. If it didn't say Needo, then it would not really be like a Needo, I think. What is this cat doing? What is it doing? Dude, that's literally my fidget. Like, can you not? Like, I love this cat, but it's literally annoying. What is it doing? Dude, that bottle can literally explode. What's wrong with you? That cat is literally, like, every second I come back, it's doing something. I can't get over the fuzzball. I would definitely recommend the purple one. And I would definitely recommend the popsicle one too. And not just two, go play with the bag now. I also got 3. And they color change.
You like your thing?
She's so happy about those needles. Yeah. She's taking a video.
You want me to help you open it?
No.
You want to open that one now?
I'm gonna open it now. Look how cool this one is.
Oh, that's so cool. It look white. Press it. Look white.
Yeah.
See the color change.
The color change when you press it. Yeah. You want to open that one?
Yeah, I'm gonna open it.
You want me to help you?
Yeah, those cats are
You got
fighting.
it. They fighting?
I'm going to sit down after I put these dishes in and see what I can do about the kitties. Okay, baby?
Okay.
Mommy's gonna put
Wow!
They're so cool. Oh, it changed the color too.
Oh, why is it actually so squishy? Guys, I love Needos. Like, I literally love Needos so much. Like, it's no joke. It color changes. Oh my goodness.
Yes, after you eat, we can try the nice part, okay?
Okay.
Try it in the sunshine. Okay, beautiful baby?
Okay.
I love you.
That looks like pretty as a sunset.
Okay, baby?
Oh, I'm okay. So much to clean up now. That's so cool. I guess this one's gonna turn purple. Ah, pink. I'm sorry that I finally got the viral Needos. This popsicle one is so cool. It's a little bit hard, like in between, but it's so cool. I would definitely recommend the color changing ones, the purple fuzzball, and this one, the nice slice popsicle or whatever. Yeah, the teardrop one that I have, it's fake. It don't even say Needo on it. Like, Amazon is nothing but fake stuff. Like, I literally deleted Amazon off my iPad, and I will delete it off my phone like in 1 hour, or after I make this video. Like, just a warning, guys. If you're ordering the teardrop Needo off of Amazon, just so you know, it's fake. It don't say Needo on it. Like, you know how this one says Needo on it? This one does. The fuzzball does. I think. Down here. Like, get the ones that say Needo on it. And if they don't say Needo on it, I'm sorry, but you just got scammed on Amazon. Well, I think not all needles are fake on Amazon. I think just the teardrop one. Cause I don't really shop on Amazon no more. I was just shopping on Amazon for like reborn dolls. Yeah, and that's where you can find reborn dolls. Is on Amazon. Yeah, I like Amazon Prime better because stuff orders faster. Or if there's even Amazon Prime. I'm gonna put these safe, like somewhere safe. Like I literally like these more than the butter squishy that I have. Yeah, Lana, if you're watching this, you have like 8 needohs. Like, how on earth? What, Squeaky?
The little kitten.
Oh.
You just see in his mouth.
Bob, Bob, Bob. Bob, Bob, Bob. yeah, that one trend from 2025. The Bob, 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 Bob. Yeah, I think the best day, like the best month of 2025 was April 2025. I really liked that month of 2025. Okay, that's actually creepy. I'm doing that. Like, that's creepy. But yeah, like, I would definitely recommend these needohs. I would. If I was you, I would buy them. And here's where you can get them. Boston, Massachusetts, and Cambridge. Or if you live in Boston, Massachusetts. And it's in Cambridge. In Boston, Massachusetts. It's called Henry Bears Park. I know that sounds like a type of amusement park, but it's actually a store where they sell needohs. But unfortunately, they don't sell like the iceberg. So squishy. Yeah, but these are real squishy. Like the moment you squish them, they literally just squish. And they can also be like little stress relievers. Where I do not want my needohs on the floor, not at all. Cause I'm not trying to get them furry and dusty and mussy and crusty, wusty, dusty, and utsty. Okay, I am. I finally got yes! Whoa! I actually want to be careful with my fuzzball. I'm gonna bring this one to school so I can show off. Now I'm playing. Cause I just do not want to make anyone like feel bad. Yeah, guys, subscribe if you have a needoh. Just so you know, since I said that, I am not begging for subscribers because I already got like 100 something subscribers. But anywho, and I'm not trying to make anyone like feel bad because I know there's some poor people in this world. But there are some stores with needohs in stock. And I did not wait in line for 2 hours, thank gosh. Just for needohs. Yeah, proof that they're real. They say needoh on it. And the one that I got didn't say needoh. Let me put these on the couch. Yeah, we went to the store at 10 a.m. because they opened at 10 a.m. Yeah, I would definitely recommend the color changing ones the most. Like, just all 3 of them. Yeah. I'm gonna throw these away now. No, the actual like squishy needos. The little papers and boxes and all that. But yeah, bye.